everyone, here we go again with my two angels, Joey and Gishal. Now they're gonna show you how. What are you gonna show us, Gishal?
To make coffee with our coffee machine.
And you, Joey?
Yes.
Alright, go ahead, girls.
What you do is, with your coffee machine, you fill the water tank and you turn and then you turn it on. What we're gonna need is this thing.
What coffee is that one?
It's just the Morrison's French style coffee,
Espresso.
roast and ground coffee. This is a 2-scoop little cup thing. Do you want to scoop it?
Two scoops.
Yes. Or one.
One.
Just 1 scoop. Then you put it in here. 1 scoop. Yeah. Then we lock it in right there to close it. Get your cup. Put it in there. And Jean, would you like to press the button? Which one? This one.
How long do we have to wait?
Just until it's finished.
I think someone is ready for the coffee. Hello, darling. How are you?
When you make coffee, it's supposed to be small cups, but I like it with big cups. So what do we do? Turn this around. So we do this, and we put it right in there into the coffee. Then we twist this to fill it up with water. We know this isn't how to really use it, but the instructions were a bit too much for me to bear. To sit there. Then we just wipe that off. And there's your coffee. You add sugar and milk if you have it with sugar and milk. And that's that.
Near the machine. Is that how quick?
Yeah.
Can I have your coffee, please? I'm coming. Now we have the coffee.
So,
Aromatic. Thank you, girls. What are you gonna say to them, please?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for all your support. And Gishal, what are you gonna say to them?
have some coffee.
And girls, before we go, we're gonna show you guys the box. The box of the, what do you call that one, Giselle? Joey?
Coffee machine.
From who bought this one?
Daddy.
For my dad.
Thank you, my love. Girls, before we go, mommy's kisses. Mine too. Thank you, youngest. Thank you, oldest. Thank you, guys. See you later. Take care.